Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to share CapCut project. All right, let's begin. First, open CapCut and load the project you want to share. Click on an empty area of the timeline, then look at the top right corner and select Details, followed by Modify. Here, enable Copy Media to Project so all files are saved inside the project folder. Then click Save. Now, locate the project on your computer. Open the Start menu, search for Run, and open it. Type %local app data % and press Enter. Open the CapCut folder, then User Data, then Projects. Find your project folder and confirm the name inside CapCut if needed. Right-click on the project folder, copy it, and paste it on your desktop. Now, right-click the folder, select Compress, and create a zip file. This makes sharing easier. Upload the zip file to a cloud service like Google Drive. Once uploaded, right-click the file, select Share, and either enter an email address or copy the share link. The recipient downloads the zip file, extracts it, and moves the folder back into the CapCut Projects directory. After that, the project will appear in CapCut with all media included. So that's basically how you can share CapCut project. That's it for this video. Thanks.